In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this OnePlus. First of all, you need to access Recorder app. After that, select while using the app in this pop-up and then click Allow in the other ones. After that, you need to click on this gray sweater next to Allow System Settings Modification and go back by choosing this button. Now, in order to start your recording, click on this blue mic icon. And as you can see, my recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by selecting the same button. Now you can add a bookmark by clicking on the left one and end it and save it by choosing right one. Now delete your recording right away by choosing delete over here or name it and tap on save. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. In order to play it, click on it. In order to get rid of it though, just hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom in the middle and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!